बराबर है. Good morning students. Now today we have to study reduction of electric field due to polarization of dielectric. Reduction of electric field म्हणजे when we apply electric field, when we apply external electric field across the dielectric get polarized. Dielectric get polarized means out of this external electric field, some part of external electric field is used by the dielectric for polarization, so that the original applied electric field thereby decreases. So how much reduction of external electric field when we place dielectric material in the external electric field? We have to find this reduction of electric field due to polarization of dielectric. Now there are three cases. Figure A, this is positively charged plate, this is negative charge. So that electric field, external electric field always directed from positive to negative charge. So that when we place dielectric slab, dielectric material in the external electric field, what happens? There is displacement of positive charges and negative charges in the molecule of the dielectric. Because of displacement of positive charges and negative charges in the dielectric, when it is placed in the external electric field, this dielectric material get polarized, so that the polarizing field is produced. Polarizing field is produced inside the dielectric, having certain strength, This is first. म्हणजे when we place dielectric material in the external electric field, there is displacement of positive and negative charges in the molecules of the dielectric. As a result, each molecule acquires certain moment along the direction of external electric field. That is, substance gets polarized. Now, in the second figure, if we use a dielectric slab, if we kept, for example, if we use a dielectric slab which is placed in the external electric field, then the charges, the positive charges of the external electric field produces induced charges on the two faces of the glass slab. Suppose these faces are parallel, to this direction of electric field. These faces are parallel to the direction of electric field. In this way, we kept this dielectric slab in the external electric field. Under the action of external electric field, this external electric field induces the charges on both the faces of the dielectric slab. Suppose this is positively side, this positively charged side produces induced negative charges on one of the face of the dielectric slab, while on the other side it produces induced positive charges on the other side of this slab. In this way, this dielectric slab is charged, is electrically charged by the phenomena called as induction phenomena. So that this phenomena is called as polarization. This phenomena is called as polarization. So when we place dielectric slab in the external electric field, this external electric field produces induced charges. On left side of this slab, it produces induced negative charges, while on the right side of the slab, this electric field produces induced positive charges. So that these two induced charges, negative induced charge and positive induced charge, produces electric field inside the dielectric slab. This field is called as polarization field, because this dielectric slab gets polarized under the action of external electric field, so that polarization charges, these induced charges are called as polarization charges. Negative polarization charge produced on one side of this dielectric slab, while positive polarization charge produced on other side. So these two polarization charges, equal and opposite polarization charges, produces polarizing electric field inside this dielectric slab in a direction from positive to negative. This polarizing electric field produced by these polarizing charges exactly opposite to the direction of electric field. So that resultant electric field produced in the dielectric medium, in the dielectric slab, is given by difference of these two electric field, that is E is equal to, let E be the external electric field, E0 be the polarizing electric field, due to induced charges and E dash with the resultant field It means that when we place a dielectric slab, when we place dielectric medium in the external electric field having strength E, then it is found that the external electric field strength is reduced due to the effect of polarizing electric field. Hence, resultant electric field on the dielectric medium is the sum of external electric field and polarizing electric field, and polarizing electric field which is produced on the dielectric slab is always opposite to the direction of external electric field which is less than that of external electric field. Hence, E dash is equal to resultant electric field, E dash is equal to E minus E0. Direction of resultant electric field is again formed along the direction of external electric field, because E0 is the part of external electric field. E0 is the part of external electric field E we call as polarizing electric field which opposes the is always opposite to the direction of external electric field, so that this E0 polarizing field get combined by external electric field. Therefore, resultant electric field is the difference of these two electric field, E minus E0. It means that E is always less than, E dash is always less than that of E external electric field due to the effect of polarizing electric field. So, this is the case. Now, this is the reduction of electric field due to the polarization of electric field. So, when we place, now again I will repeat this. When we place dielectric slab in the external electric field, what happens? The dielectric slab get polarized because the displacement of positive charges and negative charges in the molecule of the dielectric slab, dielectric material gets polarized under the action of external electric field. Now, after polarization of this dielectric slab under the action of external electric field, the external electric field produces induced charges on both the sides of this dielectric slab. So, it is found that on one side, on the left side of the dielectric slab, this electric field, external electric field produces induced negative charge, while on the other side of this dielectric slab, means right side of the dielectric slab, it produces induced positive charges. These two equal and opposite induced charges which are produced on the two sides of the glass slab produces electric field inside the dielectric slab. This electric field is called as polarizing electric field, because these induced charges, negative induced charge on one side of this slab and positive induced charge on the other side of this dielectric slab, we called as polarization charges. We called as polarizing charges, and these polarizing charges produces electric field E0 inside the dielectric slab in a direction from positive to negative. Let E0 be the polarizing electric field produced inside the dielectric slab because of external electric field E. Therefore, resultant electric field produced on the dielectric slab is given by effective field is E dash is equal to E minus E0. It means that E dash, effective external electric field, is always less than that of original external electric field by an amount of polarizing electric field E0. Therefore, these are the three cases, and this effective electric field on the dielectric slab depends upon strength of external electric field E, and the material of the dielectric. So, this is the case. Now, we stop here. Now, students, you listen here. If you have any doubt regarding this article, then you should try to solve this doubt. You will try, always you will try to solve this doubt or your difficulty. ये आपको नहीं समझा होगा, समझने में दिक्कत आती, डिफ़िकल्ट है, लेकिन इसका टेक्निक है, इसका टेक्निक है। जो एखादा मीडियम है, डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम है, ये थोड़ा समझ में लेना। अगर एखादा पानी है, पानी में अपन ने अगर पत्थर डाला तो वो गीला हो जाएगा, वो गीला होगा, यानी पानी का उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट होगा, पत्थर के ऊपर। और जो इफेक्ट हो रहा है वो पत्थर के ऊपर, वैसा ही एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड है, एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, उसमें अपन एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल रख रहे, डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम रख रहे, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उसके ऊपर इफेक्ट करेगा। वो इफेक्ट जो हो रहा उसके ऊपर, वो जो इफेक्ट होगा वो मटेरियल के ऊपर, वो इफेक्ट किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? वो इफेक्ट वो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल, वो जो मीडियम है, हाँ, पत्थर रखा, पत्थर के ऊपर उस हिसाब से इफेक्ट होगा। दूसरा वुड, लकड़े के का एक मटेरियल रखा, उसके ऊपर वो हिसाब से, मेटल का रखा, उसके ऊपर वो हिसाब से इफेक्ट होगा वो पानी का। वैसे ही जो अपन डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल, डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रख रहे हैं, तो वो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल के ऊपर इफेक्ट करने वाला है। और वो इफेक्ट किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? वो इफेक्ट डिपेंड है वो मटेरियल, वो जो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम है वो किस मटेरियल का बना है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है, पहला फैक्टर। सेकंड फैक्टर, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। वो तालाब में पानी है, कम पानी है तो वो वैसा इफेक्ट होगा, ज़्यादा पानी है तो उस वैसा इफेक्ट होगा, है ही नहीं। यानी पानी के डेप्थ के ऊपर वाटर फील्ड कितना है वो, उसके ऊपर वो इफेक्ट डिपेंड है। तो वैसा इसका भी है, दिस इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस ऑन द डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल डिपेंड्स अपॉन strength of external electric field, strength of external electric field, that is intensity of electric field. तो अपन ने ये पढ़ा है, डाइलेक्ट्रिक से शुरुआत की है, डाइलेक्ट्रिक से डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में रखा तो वो मीडियम पोलराइज हो जाता है, वो मीडियम क्या होता, पोलराइज हो जाता, एंड पोलराइज होने के बाद यानी इलेक्ट्रीफाइड होता, वो मीडियम क्या होता, इलेक्ट्रीफाइड होता है, तो उसको बोलते पोलराइजेशन। पोलराइजेशन होने के बाद दिस फिनोमेना का पोलराइजेशन। अब डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स मटेरियल ये दो प्रकार के रहते हैं, एक पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक रहता है, दूसरा नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक। पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक किसको बोलेंगे? पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक में पोलर मॉलिक्यूल्स रहते हैं, और पोलर मॉलिक्यूल किसको बोलते हैं? जिसका सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी ऑफ पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज डज नॉट कोइंसाइड विद ईच अदर ड्यू टू एसिमेट्री ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल, एसिमेट्रिकल शेप of the molecule. The center of gravity of positive charge nucleus do not coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron. This molecule is called as polar molecule. Therefore, this polar molecule possesses certain moment, dipole moment. It has a permanent electric dipole moment. Polar molecule has a permanent electric dipole moment in the order of 10 to the power minus 30 coulomb meter. This is, and the material is called as polar, the material, the dielectric material, why shows the phenomena of polarization. This dielectric material is called as polar dielectric, polar dielectric. तो उसके एग्जाम्पल है वैसा नॉन पोलर का, एंड नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल, नॉन पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक consist of non-polar molecule, and non-polar molecule is the molecule in which the center of gravity of positively charged nuclei coincide with the center of gravity of negatively charged electron due to symmetrical shape of the molecule, due to symmetrical shape of the molecules. The center of gravity of positively charged nuclei coincide with center of gravity of negatively charged electron. This molecule is called as non-polar molecule. So that non-polar molecule have zero dipole because they are coincide, they are not separated. Center cannot be separated, so that there is no formation of dipole. So that non-polar molecule has zero dipole moment. So this is the what happened in when we place polar dielectric in the external electric field. What type of polarization shown by the polar dielectric? When non-polar dielectric material is placed in the external electric field, what type of effect of polarization shown by the non-polar dielectric? ये अपन ने पढ़ा है अभी. उसमें क्या चेंजेस होते इन द absence ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड व्हाट हैपन, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड व्हाट हैपन. ये 2 पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन करना, तो उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन मिल जाएगा अपने को पोलर डाइलेक्ट्रिक का और नॉन पोलर का. दूसरा इफेक्ट है ग्लास स्लैब का, ये रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, रिडक्शन ऑफ एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड when dielectric material is placed in the external electric field. So this is the effect. When we place dielectric material in the external electric field, there is displacement of positive charges and negative charges. The positive charges and negative charges are get separated from each other when dielectric material, dielectric slab is placed in the external electric field. Therefore, this is displacement. बाद में ये ऐसे होते होते ये साइड नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव चार्ज प्रोड्यूसेस नेगेटिव चार्ज. जितने पॉजिटिव चार्जेस इधर होंगे एक्सटर्नल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के, उतने भी पॉजिटिव चार्जेस प्रोड्यूसेस इक्वल नंबर ऑफ नेगेटिव चार्जेस ऑन वन साइड, एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस equal number of positive charges on the other side. These charges are called induced charges. ओरिजिनल चार्जेस नहीं है, ये तैयार किए हैं, जो ओरिजिनल चार्ज था उसने बनाए हैं, तो उसको इंड्यूस्ड चार्जेस बोलते हैं. वी कॉल्ड एज पोलराइजेशन चार्जेस बिकॉज वी हैव टू स्टडी पोलराइजेशन फिनोमिना, एंड दिस इंडक्शन फिनोमिना इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज पोलराइजेशन. पोलराइजेशन. So that these charges are called as polarizing charges, and these polarizing charges on two sides of this dielectric slab produces polarizing electric field, polarizing electric field in a direction exactly opposite to the direction of external electric field. This polarizing electric field opposes the direction of external electric field. Therefore, resultant electric field on the dielectric is how much? is the difference of these two fields. So that resultant electric field and effective electric field produced in the presence of dielectric is always less than the original external electric field E. This is the case. ठीक है, अभी ये डाइलेक्ट्रिक का कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो गया. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल टुमारो वी विल स्टार्ट, दैट इज कंडेंसर कैपेसिटर.